there somewhere. We're going buried treasure hunting. Yeah, we are. We will be. We got the metal detector. We're gonna see what we can find. Right. So we're going today too, ain't we?
We went yesterday and we had a wobbly shovel, so we didn't find anything.
We did too. We found a dime and a penny.
We found 11 cents.
And an old pop bottle lid.
That too.
And a bolt.
Yeah, we did find a bowl.
Alright. But today we're going to find something different.
Hopefully.
Alright. We shall see.
But we do have a bigger shovel this time.
We do got a big shovel this time. And by the way, yesterday these two pushed me in the river. Just so you guys know that, it's on video. So they just might get pushed back in the river somehow today.
He was dancing with the rocks.
I was not dancing.
He was dancing with the rocks.
The little one back there said, "Come this way, Pawpaw." He didn't tell me it was slippery and I'd bust my hind end. So,
I didn't bust my hind.
but today is a different story. I'll have it on film though. I'll show you. Throw them in the river. All right. Oh no, that's water Getting ready to do it. We're gonna see what we can find. Got the metal detector, got the kid, so I can push him in the water to get what I find. It'll be a good day. Normally on the weekends, there's a bunch of people out here sitting around on these rocks. So we're gonna hope we can find something in these rocks. I'm gonna hope I don't bust my hind end again. We shall see, folks. Here goes nothing. Wish us luck. Thomas, they're wishing us luck. Nana, there's wishing us luck. No, you're supposed to say thank you. There you go. I beat that.
Check that big rock.
Gold in that rock.
Think so?
No, stand up here. Something's in that rock. Take it up there to the thing. We found gold. Oh, that's a shovel. Here, we see that. Dig it. Do it right there. Turn that thing. Let's try it right here.
Is it on?
Right. Right there. Poke around. It's right there somewhere. Oh, oh. Keep going. See what we got. We're on to something. He's found something. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's this?
Let me see it. Is that it?
Is this it?
All right, cool. What is it? We're up
A
here.
bullet shell.
Bullet shell. Oh, whoa. Let's go see what kind of bullet shell. Go wash it off in the river. All right, we're coming along. He's gonna have a whole box of shells before long. Show him what you found.
This one ain't even a shell.
It's the whole bullet. Let me see. Put it up here. Cool. How many is that one? 3?
4.
4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go wash it off. We're going over across this bridge. For some reason, that kid right there is scared. I don't know.
Show them the part that we just went up.
We'll do it again.
Okay, good. You know, this is pretty.
We're in Franklinville, North Carolina. Checking out the scenery. How are you doing? Hey, what's up?
It's not as steep as they are.
I was curious about these tables. What was these tables over here for? They got a sign on there, and I might tell you. Go to your left, Thomas. See these old tables made out of concrete? Wonder what that was for. I wonder what all this is for. Had to be a fishing thing back a long time ago.
Or it was for the Civil War and the guns there. Or the trash can belt. Oh, postage. Oh,
No hunting, probably. That's a rock up there.
I'm going through that one.
I'm just gonna look up there
We're digging for treasure here today.
a little bit.
So we found 5. We also found a frog.
Don't mess with the frog.
Look.